night, no joke. I was almost sleeping, and I'm like, oh, the tripod is out in the blind, and it's got that fluid head on it.
Oh.
Remember, we need that for a tree stand.
Yeah.
So I had to go out there, and in the dark with the
mule, yeah.
Took the mule out there, got it, brought it back, and then I couldn't get the screw out of like that little piece. So I like messed around in the kitchen forever trying to mess with that screw.
Yeah, I heard like doors close, and I like woke up. I'm like, what the heck?
I drove all the way out there.
Yeah. Huh, that's crazy.
Anyways, this morning we are up and at 'em and going out deer hunting in the tree stand. First time I've been in a tree stand this year, so I'm excited about that. Obviously, the deer numbers out here are outrageous, so I'm excited about that. Let's get in. Let's get after it. Let's get in the tree. Okay, welcome back. We are out here in 20-mile-an-hour winds, back in the tree stand. We gotta keep hunting. We've got a doe management tag. And when I say we, I mean I've got one, and Mason has a doe management tag. So we're up here. We're about 20 feet up, a little bit higher than normal. Mason's here. He's got his bow, of course, and the video camera. And we're actually sitting over a beet. Wow, it's windy. It's like a beet discard pile. So like the farmer around here somewhere had some sugar beets, and he made like this discard pile. It's just like he pushed up some beets along the edge of a field. And the deer, it looks like from our scouting, have been coming in here. And it's always the does first, and then the bucks, just like you always see. So we'll see what happens. I'm really hopeful. Even with this wind. Oh man, there's a tumbleweed I saw rolling across the field. I thought it was a deer for a second. I got excited. I'm out here yelling just about. But yeah, so we're gonna do a long sit. It's 2:30 in the afternoon, so we got a haul. A little bit of sitting to do.
belief that they got nervous. There was nothing to be nervous about. Oh, he stayed back. Yeah. Did they run all the way back to the woods or just... Wow. She's going down. Yeah, nice job, dude. Let's see. Here she goes. Boom. Bro. Nice job, dude. Double, dude. Holy smokes. Well, let's just sit here and wait. Hang up the boat, put this back. Wait for dark, and then we'll go.
We just reviewed footage of our shots tonight. Mason obviously smoked that doe. He saved the evening because we saw him drop on camera, so there's nothing better than that. Now my shot, on the other hand, is ridiculous. The doe did not jump the string at all. I thought I smoked it. It was a little bit further than 20 yards. It was 25 yards. I thought I had a pretty good shot. We actually both thought it kicked up real nice after I hit it. But then we looked at the footage and I just barely clipped it a little tiny bit. There was no blood. Definitely no blood trail. And I was wondering about that because after I shot, I was looking with my binoculars and I'm like, I don't see any blood, and I should be seeing a lot of blood. But yeah, that opens up the door. I mean, we're going to eat some tenderloins here and we're going to go doe hunting again because we've got to do some serious management in this area. So we'll see you on the next doe hunt here tomorrow. Look at that. And then flip her back over one more. I think that shot was just a little further than you thought, but it turned out perfectly. Heck yeah, perfect. Man. Congrats.
Thank you.
At least somebody's killing deer. All right, good afternoon. It's 2 o'clock. What does that mean? Well, it's time to go manage some does. Got Mason here. He's already smoked one. Beautiful doe. Butchered that thing out. It's my turn. We're gonna get out there, bringing the saw today, bringing the camera arm down a little bit. Once again, we're not baiting deer here. It looks like we're baiting. The farmer just had pushed up a bunch of sugar beets. I mean, there's a sugar beet field. The deer are out there all the time. And he just had pushed them up, and they just happened to be concentrated in this one particular area. And the deer just happened to love this spot. So again, we're not baiting. We did not put bait out. The farmer did not intentionally pile this up for the deer. I just want to reiterate that because there's just literally so many deer in this area. They're actually out in the field right now feeding. And if you've been watching these clips of the deer in this area, you realize how many hundreds we have out here. So they need some management. Let's go do that.
She's gonna go down, dude. That was a smoke. Good deal. Yeah, that was wild. I'll bet you it's because of that doe estrus I put down there. Got him all fired up. Yeah, thanks, dude. Yeah. Yeah. That sounded crazy, huh? Just ripped right in there. What do you think of that? Doe management. Feels good. We've been freezing out here. It's got to be in the 30s. We've been sitting here for like 3 hours.
Like 20 mile per hour winds.
Yeah, and the 25 mile an hour winds, I would say. And I'm literally getting shivery cold, which makes it harder to shoot. Yeah. I always wear those boots when I'm in a tree stand, even if it's only like 35 degrees, because then I can wear comfortable shoes and my feet are literally hot. That's the only thing on me that's hot right now. Let's go get that doe. Well, actually, let's not go get the doe. Let's go look at the arrow, and then I'll go back to the house and look at the footage. And we'll go and get the doe in like a couple hours just to be safe. Doesn't look that good. We'll leave her overnight.
Yeah, I think so too.
Be safe on this one.
It's a smooth play.
It's frustrating. Felt like it was a pretty good shot. Nice angle down. Started a little high, come out, but what are you gonna do? She must have wheeled a little bit more than I thought. We'll look at the video. Let's grab that saw and bounce out of here. We'll see you again in the morning.
All right, good morning. We're gonna go look for that doe. Hopefully it's an easy track job. We kind of saw where she ran off. I'm really hoping she just bedded down right in this grove of trees over next to our hunting spot. So if not, at least it hasn't rained. Let's go get her. You can just go ahead and run it.
Yeah, I'm after running it.
I don't know, I think you jumped the fence there, right?
I think she ran straight through here.
Oh dude, look at this, it pissed him off.
Oh my gosh.
That urine I threw up here.
Dude, that's sweet. Sweet.
Super fresh.
Wow, that was like last night.
Yeah, they'll be. After that rain washes out. Oh, here we go. Here's that deer.
Oh yeah.
Oh, something shooting. Oh my gosh. Oh, coyotes, dude.
Oh dang.
Holy smokes.
Wow.
Yeah, that's the deer.
Yeah, there's you.
Holy smokes. Look at that. It's ridiculous.
Wow.
Well, we found her. This is just what happens when you wait overnight. I mean, dude, what are we, like 100, 150 yards from the tree?
Yeah.
Probably should have just walked in here, but if we would have bumped her, we'd have the same story as a buck. Hey, at least we found her.
Yeah, true.
I don't know if we got enough. Get some meat off of her, hopefully.
Yeah.
Look at that, dude.
Wow. They really chewed into her. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, see, that's the entry shot right there.
Oh yeah.
It was like really straight down, so it just came out right over here.
Mm-hmm.
Boy, that's gory. That was unfortunate. That's how it goes. I've had that happen a few times too. All right, man, we found her.
Heck yeah.
That was a good shot.
Yeah.
I'll go get the knives and you can just go back.
Okay.